how to switch watch faces on the Apple Watch 8. First, press on the crown button to return back to your watch face. Then touch and hold. From here, you can swipe across to switch between the different available watch faces. And if you want to add in an additional watch face, swipe across and tap on the add button. And here, use the crown to swipe up and down and select a watch face that you would like to use. So for example, Meridian, tap on add. In here, you can scroll down and choose a different dial color. You can also swipe across here, select different color, and then swipe across again to select the complications, or kind of like a widget. So at the top here, you can select a complication for the top. In here, you've got calendar, you've got camera, remote, compass, and so on. It's quite a lot of different things that you could choose. So select the one that you would like to use. Otherwise, you can leave everything as the default. So you've got the top complication, the bottom, the right hand, and the left hand complication. So select one of the complication that you would like to use. And after that, you can press on the crown button. And now we have added. So if you want to use the Meridian watch face, just tap on that. And now you have successfully switched a watch face on the Apple Watch 7. So from the watch face, just touch and hold, then swipe across and select a different watch face. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.